Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 96 divide 48 is equal to 2. Then 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is one division, here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 96 divide 48 is equal to 2 divide 16 divide 8 is equal to, now 2 divided by 16 can be written as 2 upon 16. Okay, divide 8. Now 2 divide 2 is equal to 1, and then 16 divide 2 is equal to 8. So now the expression become 1 upon 8 divide 8. Okay, now according to KCF rule, KCF, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 upon 8. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction, 8 is equal to 1 upon 8. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, then 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So 1 upon 64 is the correct answer. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.